everyone, Sophia here for my great challenge. Welcome back to my channel. Today's the day I am finally power washing the deck, and if it's warm enough for the rest of the day and tomorrow I may be able to stay in it. I don't know. I said I was going to do it next weekend, but it looks like it's going to be really nice weather, so between late Sunday and late Monday I may be able to do the whole thing. So I got a power washer from the Home Depot. It was the last one left. Turns out it's the most powerful they have. It's not expensive. It's about $100 for the whole day. So I'll bring it back tomorrow morning. I have the whole deck to do, the surface, the sides, the rails, and then probably other areas of the property. We'll see what happens. So let me show you what the deck looks like right now, because it's really tragic. Okay, so yeah, this is the shade side of my deck. We removed all the stuff that was on it, and then here's the sunny side of the deck, and then everything is here for now, so that's gonna have to get moved. I have this area to do. I have the sides here. All of the banisters need to be done. It's gonna be a lot of work, but we'll see how that works. Everybody is telling me that it's super satisfying to do the deck with the power wash, and then we're going to stain it in mahogany and treat it, and hopefully it will save it, because it's really old. The deck is about, I don't know, 20 years old, something like that. So we emptied out the whole deck. Everything is on the blacktop, and you know what? The barbecue, which was 11 years old, is dead. So it like literally, I don't know if you could see, but pulling it out, it fell apart. Like, yeah, there's no bottom. You see that? No bottom. The whole thing fell. So we gotta buy a new barbecue, and that's okay. I mean, you know, it was a charbroiled, I guess. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so this is a kosher pressure wash that you can rent at the Home Depot. This is the biggest one that they have. Here's the model number if you need it. How does it work? Well, it's on gas. Alright, so you got to fill that up. You put your water intake here, and then this is the output right there, and that's the hose they provide you. And then to start it, very easy. First of all, I'm going to open the gas right here, and then this is the throttle right here, and then you got to turn that on and then pull this thing here, and it makes really loud noise. But on the other end of it is this James Bond Thunderbolt looking thing, and they have two lengths. There's a long one and a short one. This is actually the short one, and they give you two nozzles. One is for just washing, and the other one is spraying. So there's a cone, and then there's a flat one. The flat one is really good for, yeah, I'm showing you grind. What did you expect? It's very good to get the space like that in between your planks, because all of that needs to be super clean so that the water can drain again. Alright, so there's an on and off switch all the way on the end here. You put everything here to this side, turn it on, and then you move the choke, which is the gray button, towards this side here.
I am not your mama, just admit what you did. I got enough to do than hang around and wait for you to grow up and be responsible. It's my heart, so I hold you accountable.
had to turn it off for a minute because the O-ring is leaking, but this is what it looks like so far. And we're emptying it out right now, but you can see where it wasn't done versus where it was done. What a big difference, but let me tell you, it is back-breaking.
We say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun.
So I'm not gonna lie, this is hard work. Look at my pants. My feet are soaking wet. We have about, what, 7 boards left and the banister here. So what we're doing is that we take turns. So 3 of us. One does a board, the other one does a board, and the third one does a board, because otherwise it's just like, it's very hard. And let me tell you, whew, it's tiring. Oh, the dogs are in the yard. Okay, all right. So anyway, this is what it looks like before and after. It's pretty impressive, and I think that once I have the mahogany stain on it, it's gonna look really good. But oh boy, it's a lot of work. So this is the area. See the dogs in the back? Okay. This is the area that's not done. You can see the banister and what it looks like. And this is the area where the banister was done. So obviously it's a big difference. We're out of gas, so we took a break to put some gas. So I took a break and filmed a little bit because Tubby's got to put the gas in there. But it looks pretty good, and to be honest, I don't even think it looked that good when we bought the house. It was kind of like a grayish, so I don't think he ever stained it, which may or may not be a good thing. I don't know. Anyway, exhausted. My arm, I'm telling you, is like, I'm gonna have the tremors probably through tomorrow. It's a lot of work. It's difficult. Well, no, it's not true. It's not difficult. It's just laborious. How about that? It's not for everybody, let's just put it this way. I don't know how much they charge to do this, but I think next time I'm going to pay somebody to do it, because I can't see myself doing that every so often. I mean, especially when you get up in age. No, somebody's going to have to do it for me. But I'm still in good shape, so finishing it today, and it won't be dry by tomorrow. So definitely staining next weekend. And you know what? It's 6:30. I think the neighbors had enough. They should have enough of this nonsense. It's pretty loud, I have to admit. So I'm gonna take a shower. It's movie night, and that would be it for today. Tomorrow morning I'll finish this, and then I'll plant some stuff. I have a ton of stuff to put on the Facebook Marketplace. I'll do that tomorrow. Good morning. It's day 2 of the power washing of the deck. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's a reasonable time to start bothering the neighborhood with the power wash. It looks amazing. Check this out. So here's the stairs. And I have to tell you, it creates a big mess. You see all the stuff I gotta clean up from the power wash. So once this is all done, what's going to happen is that I'm going to have to hose everything down and re-wet everything. But anyway, this is the shade side from yesterday, and here's the sun side. You see how bleached and clean it is? It is just beautiful. And then this whole area here also. Now, we did not finish the deck yesterday. The power wash was just like getting choked, I guess. So this is the area that still needs to be done. So this is what it looks like when it's dirty, and this is what it looks like when it's clean. So you can definitely see a major difference, and this is almost like brand new right now. What we're gonna do is finish the power wash today, and then it's gonna rain sometimes during the week. So then we'll just let the rain go on, and then it's going to be sunny again. So probably Saturday morning I'll start staining, and we picked a color that's a semi-transparent so we can see the wood grain. It's going to be more like a mahogany, but I wanted to bead off a lot. And one of the major problems that we had was that most of these here, because of dog hair and whatnot, were clogged. So the water was staying on top of the deck a lot. You know, I'm learning. We never had a house before, so it's kind of like, you know, you learn through mistakes. You gotta make sure you really maintain your deck. Take it from me, because I may have saved the deck. It looks like it was ready to collapse, doesn't it? But anyway, it's done. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna finish cleaning it, and then I'll show you a few more shots of that once it's done, and then I'll move on to pot some plants. They're not gonna go on the deck yet because I have, you know, to stain it, but I'm pretty happy with the way it looks so far. Guess what? It's getting to be a big mess around here. I'm gonna stop the video now. Next week when I come back on the deck, do you want to see hat here? Yeah, that's right. I don't care. Who looks glamorous after 5 hours of gardening? That's really how long I've been up there. You'll see that in the next video. I was potting plants and whatnot, and we're restarting. Well, you can hear it, the pressure washer. So I gotta get out there and we gotta finish this. So I will see you next week when we're ready to stain it. So yeah, it's really powerful stuff, but I'm anticipating a massive water bill for next month. But you gotta do what you gotta do, right? It's our fault. We weren't maintaining it, so that's what happens. See you next time. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.